We are going to do chapter 3, pairs of linear equation in two variables. Now here maybe why we call linear equation means highest power of equation will be 1, right? Highest power will be of equation will be 1. Here general form of linear equation is what? Ax plus by plus c equal to what? 0. Or we other form also is there, ax plus by equal to c, where a, b and c are what? Real numbers. Okay, next pairs of linear equation. How we represent? We represent two equation, right? In pairs means two. So a1 x plus b1 y plus c1 equal to 0. a2 x plus b2 y plus c2 equal to 0. Where what? a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2 will be what? Real numbers. Okay, and a1, b1, a2, b2, it cannot be 0. Here only you have seen a1 not equal to 0, b1 not equal to 0. So these are the representation of what? Linear. This one will be for pair of linear equation, and for general form of linear equation this is the representation ax plus by plus c. So now we are going to study about the graphical representation of linear equation. Okay, graphical representation. So there are some terms we have to keep in our minds. First is, let us here, graphical representation of pair of linear equation. Okay, graphical representation linear equation. So how we will represent here? See, in your book already given, so we will try to understand. First representation of linear equation is what? First case we have intersecting lines. What do you understand by the intersecting line? So how we plot the graph, you already know from class 9. We have what? X-axis, yes or no? Then we have y-axis. We will have y, here we y dash, this will be origin, right? Then suppose if you are getting two equation for linear equation, okay? Two linear equation you are getting here. Suppose here we have one line and intersecting line. So what will happen? So one line intersect with other line. In case of intersecting, one line will intersect, means they will have the common point if you will get intersecting line. Okay, next one is, so pair of equation, linear equation will be called intersecting line if they have what? Common point. Okay, common coordinates. Now we will go to next one. We have parallel line. So when we will call it parallel line. Parallel line, in case of parallel line, we will suppose this is our Cartesian system. Here Cartesian system you already know. We have x dash, y dash. Okay, y dash, and origin will be there. So when we will plot the graph, in the case of Cartesian parallel line, it will be one line will be parallel to other. So this way we may get the line, or anywhere means one line exactly parallel to other. Parallel line you already know means when two line never intersect each other. So here you will not get common point. Okay, these two line will not intersect each other at a common point, or you can call common coordinates, right? Coordinate system. So now next one is coincident line. What is the meaning of coincident? Last one. Try to understand coincident line. Coincident line. So this is the third case. Coincident lines. So same thing, coincident line we will have here Cartesian system, and in case of coincident line means there will be, suppose one line is like this. So other line also it's lying at the top, means same place. Here only at this line, other line is lying here only. So how one coincident line means the pairs of line which is lying at what? Same place, right? Same place here. One line is lying at the or at the place of other, right? Same place. Here, the book they have said two lines which represent the system of pair of linear equation may overlap. Yes, so we can say what? It's easy to say overlap means one line overlap on other. Okay, overlap, two line overlap at each other. So this is about the graphical representation of pair of linear equation. I hope you are clear what is intersecting line. So two pairs of line intersect each other at a common point. Parallel line means two lines. When we plot graph, we parallel to each other means they don't have common point. Whatever coincident line, we will call one line. In case of coincident line, one line will overlap at the top of other lines. Now let us move to exercise 2A, but it's not in your syllabus, but question is being asked in your exam because they expect that you already know from class 9. Okay, this is the basic concept. So they sometime question you to base on this. Okay, based on exercise 3.A need to come in exam. Okay, so let us try exercise 3A. Sometimes they need to ask exercise 3A. So they are saying if so that x equal to, this will be 1 mark question or 2 marks. X equal to 3, y equal to 1 is a solution of the equation. We have equation here, equation of the equation. What is the equation? 3x minus 2y equal to 7. So they are saying so that the x equal to 3, y equal to 1 is the solution of this equation. So how you will solve? So you will put this value at, so x we will write at place of x, what we will write? Yes, we will write 3 into 3 because value of x is 3 minus 2 will be 2, y will be how much? 1 equal to 7. Now solve it. So how much? 3 3s are 9 minus 2 equal to 7. So 7 equal to 7 you will write LHS equal to RHS, and you can write hence, since LHS is a hence, then what? X equal to 3 and y equal to 1 is a solution of what? Given equation. So this is exactly similar to class 9 sums. Now question number 2, we will see few sums because if they ask in exam we cannot say that it's not in our syllabus. Yes, this is the basic things we should know before doing exercise, doing chapter 3A. So now next question, it has been asked to so that x equal to minus 2, y equal to 3 is not the solution of the equation. We have equation here 2x plus 3y equal to 9. So what we'll do? 2x plus 3y equal to 9. This is the equation. We will put the value. So 2x is how much? Minus 2. Plus will be plus, 3 will be 3. Y is how much? 3 equal to 9. So 2 into minus 2 will be minus 4 plus 3 into 3, 9 equal to 9, or you will get how much? 5. 9 minus 4 will be 5 equal to 9. So LHS what? Not equal to RHS, and this is why therefore x equal to minus 2 and y equal to 3 is what? Is not the solution of given equation, is not the solution of given equation. So I hope you are clear with this. Let us do one more sums from here. So other two more sums is here. So we will try to do both the sums 3 and 4. Question number 3. We have, they are asking here 3. Find k when we have what? When we have 1 comma minus 2 lies on the line represented by, we have this kx plus what? 5y equal to 25. So kx plus 5y equal to 25. So how we will find the value of k? So we will write kx equal to plus 5y equal to 25. So see, by looking, this is the value of what? X. This is the value of what? Y. So put this value. X is what? K into 1 plus 5 will be 5. Y is how much? Minus 2. Always a first value we take x, second value we take y. So 25. K into 1 will be k. 5 into minus 2 will be minus 10 equal to 25. Take k 10 that side, it will be 25 plus 10 will be k equal to 35. So this is your answer for question number 3. Yes, check the answer, it's correct. So now let us move to question number 4. K equal to 12. Y is the solution of linear equation. So that x equal to 22, y is equal to 18 is the solution of system of linear equation. So we have to put that value in both the equation, yes or no? Same like the previous question, they are giving the value. Here we have question number 4. They are asking so that x equal to 22 and y equal to 18 is the solution of what? Of the system of linear equations. System of linear equation. We have two equation here. First equation, let us write. We have x plus y equal to 40, and next equation is what? X minus 2y plus 14 equal to 0. So what we will do, first we will put value here and we will try to show that whether it is a solution or not. So we will write x in first equation, we will write down first equation x plus y equal to 40, or what we will write x is how much? See, 22. We will write 22 plus y is 18 equal to 40. So 40 equal to 40, right? So LHS is equal to RHS. So we have already shown that this here it is a solution. For here this can see here, you will write x minus 2y plus 14 equal to 0. Put the value. X is how much? 22 minus 2 will be 2. Y is how much? It will be 18 plus 14 equal to 0. So 22, 18 into 2 will be 36 plus 14 equal to 0. So here how much we are getting? Next step, for 22 plus 14 it will be how much? 36 minus 36 equal to 0, or you will get what? 0 equal to 0. So here also you are getting LHS is equal to RHS, and you write therefore x equal to 22 and y equal to 18 is what? Is the solution of given pair of equations, right? So this